Hello and welcome to SaxophoneTeacher.net. In today's short video, I just wanted to talk about two intervals that are the basis to all jazz harmony out there. It's going to be minor third and major third. Let's get started. So minor third and major third are the main building blocks to all jazz chords out there. If you take any triad or a basic jazz chord like a major 7 or a 7 or a minor 7 chord, or even half diminished chords, you name it, they all consist of some sort of type of thirds. So that's why I just wanted to briefly explain the difference between the minor and the major third. So the minor third, if you take the note C, basically, if you're going to go up 3 semitones from the C up, you're going to end up on the E flat. And the way to do this is by going in half steps. Half steps or semitones are just the tiniest, smallest gaps between two notes. So if you take the piano, for instance, you're going to have the distance between the white and the black, closest black key. And that gap in Western music is called just a semitone. So then if you get to the third one, if you go step by step and get to the third one, you're going to end up on the E flat if you start on the C. So just to show you that even better, if you start on the C, go 1 semitone up, it's going to be C sharp. Then from the C sharp, 1 semitone up would be D. And finally the third semitone, D to E flat, is going to be create the interval called minor third. Similarly, you can try on your own later to build the minor thirds just to practice it, so that when time comes to build more sophisticated structures with 4 or more thirds, you're going to be ready and you're not going to be thinking about what the minor third is from the G note, for instance, or F. You're just going to know it immediately. So the second type of third is the major third. The major third is consists of 4 semitones. So if you're going to start again from the C, if we're going to count 4 semitones up, we're going to end up on the E note. So if you go C to C sharp, that's the first semitone, C to D is the second semitone, C to E flat is the third semitone, and finally the fourth semitone is the E flat to E. So C to E would be a major third. To give you different examples of a major third, if you're going to go from D up a major third, you'll end up on the F sharp. If you're going to go from G up a major third, you can end up on the B. The same thing works on the way down. You just have to count one by one. You can sometimes have a look on the piano and just take one semitone at a time so that you don't make a mistake. The other examples of minor third could be on the way up from F. Minor third would be F to A flat. From B flat would be a D flat. From A up would be C. Now, to leave you with the homework, why don't you just try yourself to build some minor thirds up and major thirds up from the following notes: C sharp, F, B flat, and D. Similarly, you can try to do exactly the same thing with the minor and major third on the way down from the same notes I gave you before. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.